Hello everyone, this is Arpita from Instaminutes. Today we'll see how to use Instaminutes into in-person meetings. If you are on your desktop, go to Instaminute dashboard, click on New Insta Notes and then click on Record option. Now click on Start whenever your meeting starts. When the meeting ends, click on the Stop option. Click on Summarize. Now enter the meeting title. And if you want it to share with someone, enter their email ID. Now click on the next option. Wait for few minutes to process and then you'll get your Instaminute notes. Hello everyone, this is Arpita from Instaminutes. Today we'll learn how to upload pre-recorded audio files of the meeting. First, if you are on your desktop, go to Instaminute dashboard, then click on New Insta Notes. Then you click on Upload Recording. Select the file you want to upload and click on Summarize option. Wait for few seconds. Now enter your meeting title. And if you want to share it with somebody, enter their email IDs. Now click on Next. Wait for a few more minutes to process and you will get Instaminute notes for the meeting. Hello everyone, this is Arpita from Instaminutes. Today we'll learn how to use plugin into any meeting. Inside the meeting, click on Instaminute Chrome extension. Now click on New Insta Notes. You'll see that Instaminute has started in the background. When the meeting is finished, you can click on the Stop option and enter the meeting title. Now click on Summarize. Wait for a few minutes till the file is encrypted and uploaded and you'll see the new notes